what I just
Alright, now this is the Panthers.
Panthers? Isn't that a FIFA stream?
Yep.
Or a YouTube or something.
Alright.
The Jeremiah and the Panthers. What the fuck?
Alright.
How are you gonna get in?
I'll just put... Hey, you got 2 people sitting in the back, and you've got... Oh, Ted Bundy!
Oh
There
yeah,
you
it's
go.
Ted Bundy. Good to see you again.
Alright. Wait, hang on, wait. Ready? See you later, Ted Bundy!
Oh, see you later, Ted Bundy, bitch. You pranked
Motherfucker. Fucked him up,
yeah.
bitch. He jumped into the vehicle. You see that? Like, yeet.
Oh.
Ah, I'm getting shot. Very rude.
Why would he walk towards my car while shooting it?
Why would he try to shoot a freaking FIFA YouTuber and fucking...
And
Bob.
some random guy called Jeremiah.
Oh yeah, Jeremiah, my bad.
He's the same.
Yeah,
Oh, wait.
to this tour guide. Alright, up we go.
Take it where I want. Oh.
Oh! Oh fuck! Alright, didn't mean to do that.
Wait, what's
Did not mean to shoot. I didn't mean to, I was trying to get back to driving, but the game mechanics were like, nah, you don't get to fucking drive, you get to shoot. What the hell are these?
By the way, why is there water in the boat? What the fuck?
Where?
We're gonna see. On my screen, you just see
I don't see
this.
anything.
Why is this volcano a fortress as well, by the way? What a dangerous place to build a fort.
What a dumb place to build a fort.
Yeah. Alright.
People here as well. Alright, see you later, buddy. Thanks for stopping by.
See you later. Oh wait, hang on, I think you can go this way. I was looking at my map, okay, if we can... Hang on.
There's guys here, I'm gonna...
Stop getting in the passenger seat! There we go. Alright, hop in. Here we go. Let's see.
Wow. That's very similar.
Yeah, no, it's different.
Damn.
Alright, now you get...
Easy. Let's go.
what does this look like? How do you... Ah!
Reminder that ladders can be really dangerous.
See it. You have to go through it.
Through the volcano.
No, through this area here.
Oh. Hopefully a plane doesn't fly over now. Alright, motherfucker.
Gonna pop the tire.
Where's my tire?
Is
We're
that
paying for
pop?
damages. Yeah,
Let's
pop.
see. Oh, what the fuck?
Have a look. Yeah, now you're gonna pop the other one. Oh, shoot. I saw you looking at it. Alright. Oh my goodness.
Wow, Joel,
That's
you're
very
really
cool.
sparkling there. Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh my goodness! Oh, it blown up. Nice.
You got it.
Ah, that's what happens when you're a strong man.
The helicopter on fire, that was kinda sick.
Wow. That is amazing. I'm
It's
excited.
a beautiful sight. That's seriously the
More
right
beautiful sight.
Nice
Oh! He's missiling me.
Oh yeah, I see you run, James!
Oh fuck, 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 fuck! Run! Oh shit, Joel, no. No, Joel, Joel! He's nearly dead. He's so weak. He's weak, he's weak. Oh fuck. He keeps on loading fucking shit on me! I'm gonna fucking finish him.
Alright, this is gonna heal, bro.
Got him, we got him!
Oh yes!
Yes.
Good shit.
Yeah. Ah.
Oh, look at that. That is beautiful.
Joel, you gotta be safe.
Yeah, I know. Alright. Well, you see like this, I wonder if we can go through there. Is it open? Can you see?
Nah, it's not. Go fire.
Alrighty, here we go.
Oh,
My demo.
and we've made it.
That was easy. There's...
Oh!
What?
Ah, well. Would have been nice to know that.
All that shit just to fucking go up for fucking 10 meters and fucking die. Oh my.
Imagine coming all that way just to fucking die.
Oh no, and this just shit death, we didn't do anything. Let's take out that base.
Mission failed.
Take out that robot.
That's where we could jump. Can we get up on here?
Oh, yeah, if you can go on the crane. On the... Alright, don't jump down.
Oh, here. Should I try? Fuck it, I'm going.
Where you at?
Didn't work.
Alright.
My parachute did not work. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
With you. You know what? Quite frankly, don't give a shit. That's better, man. I don't even know how you do that motion, but... Yeah, hey, I was doing it.
Well,
That's so stupid.
we are dead.
Why would lava blow up a car?
No.
You know how it works in real life? You know what I mean? Oh, damn, did you really do
I'd
that?
taken it up the asshole. There's a big black guy.
You okay? Oh, was it this turret on top of the car? Are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
At least we gotta go to the volcano, and we realised that there's absolutely nothing there.
Yeah, and you die.
And you didn't shut away. Oh, we came to this island, we got stuck here. To find our way through drones, waves of enemies, big
Exactly.
robots, helicopters, waters, and then we flew for about 5 seconds and died.
Yep, and that's what our life consisted of. Wow, is that
Now we're
Jupiter up
jumping 26 kilometers. Jupiter and Saturn?
They're
Shoot it.
aligning.
Fire. The fuck is this coming?